హలో ఎవ్రీవన్ నమస్తే వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ బీ స్మార్ట్ ఎవ్రీడే. ఈ వీడియోలో నేను మీతో షేర్ చేయబోతున్నానండి బ్యూటిఫుల్ లాంగ్ డ్రెస్సెస్ కలెక్షన్స్, క్రాప్ టాప్స్ లాంటి బ్యూటిఫుల్ డ్రెస్సెస్ అనమాట. ఫర్దర్ డీటెయిల్స్లోకి వెళ్ళే ముందు మీలో ఎవరైనా ఈ ఛానల్ని ఫస్ట్ టైం చూస్తున్నట్లయితే నా పేరు పూర్ణిమ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి ఈ ఛానల్ని. అలాగే పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ నోటిఫికేషన్ని కూడా మీరు యాక్టివేట్ చేసుకుంటే నేను పెట్టే షాపింగ్ వీడియోస్ అన్నీ మీరు మిస్ కాకుండా చూడొచ్చు. సో ఈ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఫెస్టివ్ కలెక్షన్స్ అన్నీ మనం చూస్తున్నాము ఉజీ డిజైనర్స్ వారి ద్వారా అండి. ఈ షాప్ వచ్చేసి మనకి బిసైడ్ పెట్రోల్ పంప్ లేన్లో చార్మినార్ దగ్గర మీకు తెలిసినట్లయితే హైకోర్ట్ రోడ్ దగ్గర ఉంటుందండి. చాలా ఈజీగా రీచ్ అవ్వచ్చు. షాప్ యొక్క కంప్లీట్ అడ్రస్ డీటెయిల్స్, గూగుల్ మ్యాప్ లింక్ని కూడా నేను డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో కూడా పెట్టాను. అండ్ వీళ్ళకి వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్స్ కూడా ఉంటాయండి, మీరు గ్రూప్స్లో కూడా జాయిన్ అవ్వచ్చు. ఈ వీడియోలో షేర్ చేసే ప్రైసెస్ అన్నీ కూడా మనకి హోల్సేల్ ప్రైజెస్ అండి. మినిమం బిల్ అనేది 5000 రూపీస్ ఉంటుంది. బిజినెస్ చేసుకునే వాళ్ళకి చాలా రీజనబుల్ ప్రైజెస్లో, చాలా తక్కువ రేట్లలో మనకి ఇలాంటి కలెక్షన్స్ తీసుకొని సేల్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. రాబోతున్న రంజాన్ సీజన్కి కానీ, ఫెస్టివల్స్కి కానీ, లేదా వెడ్డింగ్ సీజన్కి చాలా బాగుంటాయి. ఒకవేళ మీరు 5000 కొనాలి అనే అవసరం లేకుండా ఒక్కొక్క పీస్ కూడా తీసుకోవాలి అనుకుంటే మీరు ఇక్కడ డిస్ప్లే అవుతున్న నెంబర్స్లో షాప్ వారిని కాంటాక్ట్ చేస్తే మీకు సింగిల్ డ్రెస్ని కూడా హోమ్ డెలివరీ అనేది పంపించేస్తారండి. షిప్పింగ్ ఛార్జెస్ అడిషనల్గా ఉంటాయి. రిమైనింగ్ డీటెయిల్స్ మనకి వీడియోలో చాలా డీటెయిల్గా వీళ్ళు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశారు. వీళ్ళ యొక్క వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్స్లో మీరు జాయిన్ అయితే వీళ్ళ కలెక్షన్స్ అన్ని డైలీ అప్డేట్స్ మనకి ఇస్తూ ఉంటారండి. 25 ఇయర్స్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉండే పెద్ద షాప్ ఇది. ఈ వీడియో ఈ షాప్ నుంచి నేను చాలా వీడియోసే ఆల్రెడీ షేర్ చేస్తున్నానండి. మీకు ట్రస్ట్ ఇష్యూస్ అంటే బుక్ చేస్తే వస్తాయో రావు అనే ఇష్యూస్ అవసరం లేదు. హ్యాపీగా మీరు ఆన్లైన్లో కూడా ఆర్డర్ చేసి తెప్పించుకోవచ్చు అండి. రిమైనింగ్ డీటెయిల్స్ అన్ని డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో పెట్టాను. షాప్ వాళ్ళు కూడా మనకి చాలా డీటెయిల్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశారు. చూడండి, మీకు ఏదైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే కామెంట్ చేయండి ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చే ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అండ్ కలెక్షన్స్ చూసేద్దాం పదండి.
Hello everyone and welcome to Uzi Designers. I hope you all are doing great. So shop Uzi Designers is located in Hyderabad. It is on the Hyderabad High Court Road, exactly beside Shadab Hotel in the Bharat Petroleum Lane. And we are in this business since almost 28 years. Our shop has more than almost 700 plus varieties. We deal in both dress material, that is unstitched dresses, as well as in ready-made suits which are stitched dresses. So we have variety starting from almost rupees 200 and ranging till almost 3000 rupees. So as we are currently in this holy and blessed month of Ramzan, so we at Uzi Designers thought that we should bring to you and show you our special Ramzan collection and variety. So what we have done is, as per your requirement and as per your repeated request in our resellers group, we have selected some designs ranging from almost 600-700 rupees till almost like 1500 to 2000 rupees, and we have brought you reasonable range long kurtis, crop tops and gowns, all at cheap prices. Viewers, we at Uzi Designers provide you online services. We'll provide you our WhatsApp details wherein you can contact us. We are also providing video calling facilities, so you can video call us and we'll show you all the collection present in our shop. Also, if you want, we can send you a collection wherein you can order your order whatever designs you like, and we'll dispatch your order as soon as possible. And while talking about delivery, we are not just restricted to India. We provide you worldwide deliveries, and this video is specifically for wholesalers. And when it comes to wholesale, we deal set wise, that is, we don't provide you single pieces. When you are purchasing a particular design, you have to take it set wise, that is 3 to 4 pieces in a bundle, and 5000 is the minimum purchase amount which you have to make at Uzi Designers. Also viewers, even though this is a wholesale video and all the prices are wholesale, all the prices mentioned in this video are wholesale prices, still if you like a particular design or if you are interested in retail purchase from us, you can still contact on our mentioned number which is popping up on the screen. And so without wasting further time, let's begin with the video. So here goes the first design. You can have a look. This is a special blue color long frock. Here you can have a closer look. You'll get some work on the neck side. You can see gorgeous little stone work done here. You'll get work. You can have a look on the border. You'll get a net dupatta with it, plain net dupatta with work on the borders. And this blue color long frock will cost you 660 rupees only. Here you can have the look at the next design. This is again a long frock in jacket model. Here you will get some embroidery work with little stone work up there. You will get some checks print, and you'll also get work at the back. You'll also get to see work at the back side. You will get a plain net dupatta with it. and a bottom, and this piece will cost you 650 rupees only. The next design in this video is again a long frock. You can have a look with full flare, embroidery work done here. If you take a closer look, you also get some mirror work available here. You will get a Banaras dupatta with it. Here you can have a look, and a bottom. And this long frock will cost you 740 rupees only. Here comes the next design. This is again a long frock model. You will get some beautiful beads work done on the neck side, and you will get some work done on the borders as well. You will get a gorgeous dupatta with it and a bottom. And this particular piece will cost you 635 rupees only. Up next, viewers, is a gorgeous crop top. This will be the top in yellow color. Here you'll get to see some work on the neck. That is beautiful stone work done on it, and you'll get a long full flare lehenga with some embroidery work done all over. And this is how this crop top will look, and it will also have a beautiful dupatta with it. And this particular model will cost you 780 rupees only. So let's have a look at the next design. This is again a gorgeous long frock with full flare. Here you can see beautiful and simple embroidery work done all over. On neck you will get some beads work done. It will consist of a lovely dupatta. Here you can have a look. And this particular model will cost you 730 rupees only. Up next, viewers, is again a lovely long frock design. It will consist of all over work, and you can see it has a very long flare. This model is available in all the sizes, that is L, XL, XXL. It will consist of a net dupatta and a bottom. And this particular model will cost you 710 rupees only. That is in wholesale. This video is specially for wholesalers, and all the prices which I am mentioning in this video are wholesale prices. Up next, viewers, is again a very gorgeous long frock. In this you will get net fabric. If you can have a closer look, you will get gorgeous and lovely stone work done here. As you go down, you will find net work done, and it also has back work available in this model. You will get a plain net dupatta with it and a bottom, and this model will cost you 780 rupees only. Next, viewers, is a crop top. You can have a look. This is the top. It will consist of sequence work done on it with little beads work. This will be the bottom. That is the lehenga with front and back print work available. This is how this beautiful crop top model will look, and it will cost you 1120 rupees only. Again, each design consists of minimum 3 to 4 different colors, and all sizes are available. This, viewers, again is a very gorgeous looking long frock model. You will get all over work, especially on the neck. You will get a lovely dupatta with it and a bottom. And this particular model will cost you 780 rupees only. Up next, viewers, is again a long frock model in special grey color. It has little stone works done on the neck side with embroidery work available on the bottom with complete border work. It will consist of a beautiful neck dupatta with border work available on the dupatta as well, and a bottom. And this particular model will cost you 660 rupees only. So viewers, before looking at this beautiful design, I would like to tell you that because of the lockdown situation in most of the cities, we are providing you online services, wherein, as I mentioned you earlier, you can contact us on WhatsApp and we'll provide you online photographs of all the designs, and you can order us online and we'll provide you doorstep delivery, not only in India but worldwide as well. So here is a special peach color long frock design. Here you can have a look. It will consist of beautiful work done, little thread work, little stone work on the neck side. As you go to the bottom, it will consist of full embroidery work, and you must take a look at the dupatta as well. It is a very gorgeous looking dupatta. Here you can have a look. It will consist of a bottom, and this particular model will cost you 760 rupees only. Next viewers is again a crop top model. Here you can have a look. This will be the top. It will consist of beautiful embroidery work done with little beads work done, and the lehenga you can have a look. It will consist of gorgeous thread work done with embroidery work done, both front and back sides. It will consist of a net dupatta, as you can see. And viewers, at our shop Uzi Designers, we strive to provide you the best quality suits, best quality designs, and at the most reasonable rates when you compare it with the market. So you can feel free to come at our shop or connect with us online, and we'll surely reply you. And up next, viewers, is again a crop top model. Here you can see the top. It will consist of very nice thread work with stone work done, and you can have a look at the bottom. It will consist of long length lehenga, and you will get a very good looking contrast dupatta with this one. Here you can have a look. Beautiful multicolor dupatta with this one, and this gorgeous looking crop top model will cost you only 1100 rupees, viewers. Again, the quality will be really fine, and you will get 3 to 4 colors minimum in each and every design, and you will get all the sizes, that is L, XL and XXL. Next, viewers, is a very gorgeous looking gown in peach color. Here you will get beautiful and gorgeous embroidery work done. You will get net fabric here, and you will get a plain net dupatta with it and a bottom. And this gorgeous looking model will cost you 1010 rupees only, viewers. Again, the quality will be really elegant and really fine. Up next, viewers, is a very elegant looking georgette long frock. It will consist of very elegant beads work done on the neck side, and it contains both front and back work. It comes with a plain net dupatta. In this elegant looking georgette long frock model will cost you 1230 rupees only. Next, viewers, we have brought for you a very unique peplum model. Here you can have a look. This will be the top. It will consist of beautiful stone work done here with little mirror work available. As you go down, you will see gorgeous thread work done. It comes with full hand sleeves, and it comes with a lehenga which will also consist of thread work. And this very elegant looking and gorgeous peplum model will cost you only 1010 rupees. Up next, viewers, is again a long frock model. Here you can have a look. It comes with a very long flare. It comes of all over print, and you'll get the print work both front and back side. And it comes with a very beautiful and gorgeous looking dupatta which has mirror work available. Here you can have a look. This will be the dupatta, and this beautiful long frock model will cost you 980 rupees only. Up next, viewers, is again a very elegant and classy crop top model. Here you can have a look. This will be the top. It comes with gorgeous mirror work with little stone work done, and the lehenga will also consist of work up till the bottom. It will also consist back work, as you can see. And this crop top model comes with a bani dupatta which further enhances its beauty. And this elegant looking classy crop top model will cost you 1150 rupees only. Again, viewers, I would like to tell you that because of the current corona situation, you can anytime feel free to connect with us on WhatsApp. We'll provide you video calling facility and will provide you doorstep delivery all over the world. Next viewers is again a crop top model. Here you can have a look at the top. It will consist of beautiful stonework. You can have a look at the lehenga. It comes with a full flare print on both the sides. You will get a dupatta with this one, and this crop top model will cost you 1100 rupees only. Up next viewers is a very unique Banarasi straight cut model. You can have a look. It consists of very beautiful and elegant stonework on the neck side, and if you go down you will get work on the border as well. It comes in straight cut and it comes with a very gorgeous looking bottom. Here you can have a look, and you'll also get a bani dupatta with this. And viewers, this straight cut Banarasi model will cost you 930 rupees only viewers. And viewers, we primarily are wholesalers, so we deal in wholesale bulk quantities. So if you want to make a bulk purchase, you can surely purchase from us. 5,000 is the minimum wholesale purchase which you have to make at OC Designers. So viewers, the next design is again a crop top model. Here you can have a look. This will be the top. On this you will get beautiful network done here, little stone work and all over print work on the top, on the bottom. This is how this crop top will look viewers. You will also get a dupatta with this one, and this model will cost you 1130 rupees only. Up next viewers is again a very good looking long frock model. Here you can have a look. This comes with a jacket. On neck you will get some beautiful work done. It will also consist of back work. You will get a plain net dupatta with it and a bottom. And this particular model will cost you 1130 rupees only. Next viewers is again a really nice crop top model. Here you can see this will be the top. It will consist of both thread work and sequence work. And here you can see the bottom. This will be the lehenga. You will also get work on the borders. And this crop top model also comes with a koti, that is a jacket viewers. Here I'll show you the jacket. This is how this jacket looks, and this jacket further enhances the beauty of this crop top. You will also get a plain net dupatta with this one, and this jacket model will cost you 900 rupees only viewers. And in all the models which I have shown you in this video, each and every design consists of minimum 3 to 4 different colors, and each design is available in L, XL and XXL sizes viewers. Lastly viewers is a 2-flare long frock model. It comes in georgette fabric, and it comes with a beautiful and elegant beads work available on the neck side and a plain net dupatta. And this particular model will cost you 1249 rupees only. So viewers, last but not the least, the minimum purchase which you have to make at OC Designers is 5,000 rupees for wholesale. And we not only provide you delivery in India, we also provide you doorstep delivery all over the world. And viewers, even though we are making this video in English language, but if you contact us, our sales team is fluent in both English, Hindi and Telugu, so you don't have to worry about that. And viewers, if you are interested in joining our resellers or wholesale groups, we'll provide you the WhatsApp links in the description box. Thank you for tuning in. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.